For centuries, cultures have embraced starting the day with warm water. This practice is rooted in the belief that lukewarm water awakens the body and promotes well-being. From ancient Ayurvedic traditions to modern holistic health, this ritual has stood the test of time. Lukewarm water gently awakens our internal organs, signaling the body to transition from rest to activity. This simple habit is accessible to all, requiring no special equipment or expensive ingredients. By incorporating this ancient wisdom, we can set the stage for a healthier and more vibrant day. Imagine your digestive system like a network of pipes responsible for transporting food and eliminating waste. Just as stagnant water in a pipe can lead to blockages, sluggish digestion can leave you feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and low on energy. This is where lukewarm water comes to the rescue. Think of lukewarm water as a gentle lubricant for your digestive system. Sipping it first thing in the morning helps to stimulate peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. This gentle stimulation helps to wake up your digestive system, preparing it for the day ahead. By promoting the smooth flow of food and waste, lukewarm water can help to alleviate common digestive discomforts, such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural elimination processes, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized throughout the day. Remember, a healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of overall well-being. By incorporating lukewarm water into your morning routine, you're investing in the optimal function of this vital system. Our skin, the largest organ in our body, reflects our inner health. When we're dehydrated or our systems are overloaded with toxins, our skin often shows it through dullness, breakouts, and inflammation. Lukewarm water, with its ability to flush out toxins and promote hydration, can be a valuable ally in our quest for clearer, more radiant skin. Dehydration can manifest as dryness, flakiness, and an increased appearance of fine lines. Lukewarm water, by promoting hydration from within, can help to plump up skin cells, giving your complexion a more youthful and dewy appearance. Furthermore, lukewarm water can assist the body in flushing out toxins that can contribute to skin problems. By promoting regular bowel movements, lukewarm water helps to eliminate waste more efficiently, preventing the buildup of toxins that can trigger inflammation and breakouts. While topical skincare products certainly have their place, true radiance begins from within. By incorporating lukewarm water into your daily routine, you're nourishing your skin from the inside out, paving the way for a clearer, healthier, and more vibrant complexion. Section 4. Flushing out toxins, the internal cleansing power of lukewarm water. Our bodies constantly work to eliminate toxins from metabolism and environmental exposures. Accumulated toxins can lead to fatigue, digestive problems, skin issues, and a weakened immune system. Lukewarm water supports the body's detoxification processes. It stimulates the kidneys to flush out waste products through urine. This can profoundly impact our overall health and well-being. Think of lukewarm water as a gentle internal rinse, helping systems function optimally. It can increase energy, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Hydration and weight management, your ally in a lighter, healthier you. Staying hydrated is crucial for our health and well-being. Water regulates body temperature and transports nutrients and oxygen to cells. Lukewarm water is easily absorbed, contributing to optimal hydration. We often mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Starting your day with lukewarm water can curb cravings and promote fullness. It can also boost metabolism, aiding in calorie burning. While not a magic solution, lukewarm water supports weight management. Hydration, reduced snacking, and a healthy metabolism make it a valuable tool for a healthier you. Section 6. A simple habit, profound benefits. Embrace the lukewarm water routine. In a world saturated with complex health trends, the beauty of the lukewarm water habit lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It's a practice that requires no special equipment, expensive supplements, or drastic lifestyle changes. Yet, the potential benefits of this simple ritual are profound, impacting various aspects of our physical and mental well-being. By incorporating a glass of lukewarm water into your morning routine, you're giving your body the gift of a gentle internal awakening, setting the stage for optimal digestion, enhanced detoxification, and increased hydration throughout the day. Over time, these small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and vitality. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to start each day with a glass of lukewarm water and experience the transformative power of this ancient practice. Your body will thank you for it.